Athlete's foot. The fungal infection of the feet. What is athlete's foot, Tinea Pedis? Tinea Pedis is commonly known as athlete's foot. It is a fungal infection of the skin on the feet, particularly between the toes. It's characterized by itching, scaling, and cracking of the skin, and can also cause blisters or thickening of the skin. Symptoms typically develop in the interdigital clefts of the toes, but can also affect the soles and medial and lateral edges. What is the cause of athlete's foot? Tinea Pedis, commonly known as athlete's foot, is primarily caused by fungal infections, specifically dermatophytes, which thrive in moist, warm environments. Among these fungi, Trichophyton rubrum is the most common culprit. These fungi can be contracted through direct contact with infected individuals or contaminated surfaces. Why is Tinea Pedis called athlete's foot? Tinea Pedis is commonly called athlete's foot because it is frequently found in warm, moist environments that are common for athletes, such as locker rooms, showers, and around swimming pools. The fungus that causes athlete's foot thrives in these conditions, and athletes often have damp feet from sweating or wearing enclosed shoes, making them more susceptible. While the name suggests it only affects athletes, anyone can get athlete's foot if they come into contact with the fungus. How does a person get athlete's foot? Athlete's foot spreads through direct contact with the fungus, or through contact with contaminated surfaces. This fungus commonly occurs in warm, moist environments. A person can get athlete's foot by following ways: moist environments, damp socks and shoes, public showers, locker rooms, and swimming pools provide ideal conditions for fungal growth. Occlusive footwear. Wearing tight, non-breathable shoes can trap moisture and heat, promoting fungal infections. Sweaty feet. Excessive perspiration can create a favorable environment for fungal growth on the feet. Direct contact. Infection can spread through direct contact with infected skin, or by touching contaminated surfaces like floors, towels, or clothing. Weakened immune system. Individuals with compromised immune systems, such as those with diabetes, may be more susceptible to fungal infections. What are the signs of athlete's foot? Symptoms of athlete's foot can occur between the toes, on the soles, or on the sides of the feet. These symptoms include itching of feet. It is especially noticeable after removing shoes and socks. Cracked or peeling skin of feet. This can be between the toes or on the soles of the feet. Redness of feet. The affected skin may appear inflamed and reddish. Blisters or sores. These may ooze or crust over. Burning or stinging of feet. This can be a painful sensation associated with the infection.